So you want to start learning programming. Which languages do you start with? Now that should not be your first question. The question should be, what do you want to build? What's your end goal? Unataka ni nini? What impact do you want to make in the programming world? Okay? Number 1, kuna watu wa websites. Number 2, kuna watu wa mobile apps. Number 3, kuna watu wa games. Okay? Number 4, kuna watu wa data and story ya AI. Okay? Now, these are only some of the categories that are well known. So, websites. Fanya JavaScript na Python. Okay? Okay, first learn the basics of HTML and CSS. Okay? Then go to JavaScript. Okay, umeshika hapo, enda Python for your backend. Okay? But if you only want to be a front-end developer, just focus on JavaScript. Okay? And I'm suggesting these two because they are beginner friendly. Like they are not wherezy. You wouldn't go wrong with it. You wouldn't really go wrong with that stack. Okay? Now, for the other categories, I don't know which are best, which are beginner friendly, but from the resources online, number 1, mobile apps, fanya that or Kotlin. Okay? Then for game development, fanya C# na Go. Sana sana naona watu wakitumia C#. Not so sure about Go. Then finally, story data and anything to do with LLMs. By LLMs, you know, I mean AI, Python. Apple, there's just no other, like, I don't think there's any other option. Is there really any other option? No. Python is the one dominating the field. So just do Python. Okay? And you're good to go. Stress na hizo vitu zingine. Hizo utafanya baadaye. When especially in terms of web development, when you've already gotten a certain language and how it's used, its logic and everything, it's easier for you to move in between languages. But it's also not advisable. Just stick to one language for each. For example, kama ni frontend, stick to either kama unataka kufanya kama ni JavaScript unataka. Okay, I initially used JavaScript in my frontend, then switched to TypeScript because I just found TypeScript is much better. But unaona, it was easier to shift from JavaScript to TypeScript because already nilikuwa najua JavaScript. Okay, so it was easier for me to like get the ropes of, you know, how it works. Okay, alafu plus right now we're in tuko era ya AI, so it's easier for you to learn. It's easier for you to do these things. Okay, so don't stress about it. Don't overthink it. Okay, just jipeleke pole pole. Sasa, and at the end of the day, 1 year down the line, you won't even be compared, like code yako ya 1 year na penye ulikuwa umeandika your first day or your first month, very different. Okay, be brave. Okay, niko hapa sawa, I'm here for you. I'll hold your hand sawa.